Hello, good morning, friends. Welcome to the Connection Technical Insight. I am Rahul Randeria, and we would be discussing about the trend setups in Nifty, Bank Nifty, and individual stocks. If we recollect, last week we have discussed around Nifty when it was quoting around 11,500, Bank Nifty which was quoting around 22,000. That it is a sell on rally markets. And we have indicated that we might see a sharp sell off coming in the markets in short to medium term. And in the last week, what we have seen that similarly, we have seen the panic selling across the board into heavyweight stock as well as the mid cap stocks. So definitely the trend is getting weak, where again the individual stocks, heavyweights as well as mid cap and small caps, and the broader markets are looking quite little bit weak. Obviously, the setup is into a little bit oversold territory, so we might see some sort of counter rally from the current levels. Now, the most important thing which I would like to say that next week, which is a truncated week, because due to 2nd November Gandhi Jayanti, we are having a trading holiday. So there would be only 4 trading sessions: Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday. So it is going to be highly volatile trading sessions. And looking up at the past week, it could be highly volatile and wild swings. We might see wild swing coming into the markets. Now, if we talk about Nifty on the daily charts, as we have mentioned, that uh, we have clearly indicated a head and shoulder pattern near 11,500 and possibility of breaking that level. And we have seen that Nifty has broken those level, and recently it has made a low around 11,900 odd marks, and from around Friday we have seen some sort of pullback. So definitely, we might see some sort of a minor counter rally from the current levels, which could see Nifty reaching a little higher from the current levels, but that should be used as a selling opportunity on the upside. On the most important part, which is on the monthly charts, Nifty has formed a bearish candle. Due to time constraint, I would not be able to show you the monthly charts, but definitely, if anybody can see on the monthly charts, Nifty has formed a bearish candle. So the month end and month closing is going to be highly critical. So one should stay cautious, and one should also be light. One should also have a light position into the market. So definitely, if we talk about Nifty, it has closed around 11,000, 11,050, 50, or 11,060 mark on the spot levels. We might see some sort of counter rally, which could uh, see a pullback in the Nifty towards the level of maybe around 11,200 to 11,300 on the upside. But yes, definitely again we are quoting that the Nifty can test that decline blue area, which is just coming around 11,250, 11,300 mark, and that should be the area where again one could sell at the higher levels. Now again on the downside, the crucial support has been around uh, 11,900, 11,800, and 11,700. Sorry, 10,900, 10,800, and 10,700. So definitely the markets are looking a little weak, but we might see some sort of counter rally that should be used as a selling opportunity on the upside. Now, if we look at the Bank Nifty charts, again, we have shown that it has broken the head and shoulder mark, and we have seen a sharp downside from that particular 22,000 mark. We had a target of 21,000. It went way below those marks, but on Friday we have seen some sort of bullish candle. So looking at this setup, again, we might see a counter rally in Bank Nifty from the current levels. And on the upside, Bank Nifty has potential to test the levels of 21,365 and 21,786. These are both the spot levels. Again, at the higher levels, as I've said, that this is just a counter rally. And on the upside, one can again look out to sell at the higher levels. On the downside, the support in the Bank Nifty are placed around 20,404 spot levels. And if it breaks, then next support is around 20,020 mark, again spot levels. So again, in Nifty and Bank Nifty, what we have seen that Friday's closing that we might see some sort of counter rally, some sort of rally on the upside. But again, at higher levels, one should try to sell on this particular rise. Now, if we talk about on the derivative fronts, where the position has been built in Nifty, if I see and if I what I have identified, the most of the positions has been built in 11,000 and 11,100, 11,300 calls, as highlighted on the charts. You can clearly see the volumes are 11,000 calls and again 11,300 calls. And as I've indicated earlier, that Nifty might see a counter rally which can test the level of 11,250 to 11,300, which was the blue line neckline area, and that should be used as a selling opportunity on the upside. While on the downside, in Nifty puts, where the major of most of the position has been built is around 10,900, as we can see on the charts on the screen, and second strong position has been built around 10,700 mark. So this would act as a support on the downside. So any rallies in the Nifty should be used to sell at the higher levels. In Bank Nifty, most of the strong position has been built uh, in the calls which are seen at 21,500 and next 22,000 mark. You can clearly see on the screen that most of the position in the calls are being built at around 21,500 to 22,000. Again, on the downside, uh, in Bank Nifty, most of the strong position has been built around 20,500 and 20,000, as you can see on the screen. So clearly, what we have indicated and the levels which we have suggested as a support and resistance, uh, that particular level should be used to sell at the higher levels when Nifty see a counter rally. Bank Nifty and Bank Nifty see a counter rally from the current levels. And as I said that it is a truncated week, only 4 trading sessions we are having in the next week, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday. It is going to be a highly volatile session and one should trade with a very strict stop losses. Now, in individual stocks, I have identified 2 stocks. Again, there is some news, and on the derivative front also, there has been a strong build, open interest built up in that particular stock. First stock is Amara Raja Batteries, and second stock is Exide Industry. There was some news around that government is thinking of giving a boost and support to the battery industry. So we might looking at this news and again on the derivative front, the building up of the open interest, the highest open interest was built in Amara Raja batteries, and some and maybe on the third or fourth place it was Exide Industry, where the long build up has been seen. So we might see a 5 to 7% upside in Amara Raja batteries and Exide Industry. So traders can look out for this stock for next week. Yeah, and the final thing which I would like to say that for long term, I've identified one stock which is uh, uh, currently into lots and lots of discussion into media and social media that stock is not performing. It is ITC. If you look at the charts, and which will be flashed in the meanwhile, you can see it is into a rising channel and currently it is just putting around the strong support at the lower trend line. So long-term investor, those who wants to invest for minimum 12 months to 18 months down the line from the current levels, can try to accumulate at the stock from the current levels, but can start accumulating slowly and gradually from these levels. And once we might see that technical rally and pullback, and slowly and gradually the stock might see picking up the momentum. Yes, it is a slow stock. That's why only it is a call for the long-term investor, those who have a view of 12 to 18 months. So definitely one can look out for ITC to accumulate for long-term from the current levels and potential 12 to 18 months target, which I see on the upside, the rising channel upside resistance is around 220 to 225. Definitely, long-term investors can look out for this particular stock. Thank you very much, and thank you for watching this show. We'll again meet next week. Any comments you can give in the comment box, and those who wants to follow me for the live update in stocks and Nifty and Bank Nifty can join me on my Twitter handle, which is @Rahul Rateria. Have a nice week and try to trade with strict stop losses. Again, a general disclaimer: please take advice from a financial advisor before investing in stocks or Nifty or Bank Nifty. Thank you very much.